said that all work and no play makes Jack a dumb boy. But this is exactly a case with many individuals in India. People are so busy in their ever-growing rat race today that there is no time to keep some time for sports and recreation. In such a situation, Magic Bus, a non-profit organization, has taken up in its stride to encourage sports in India and boost participation of the people in it.
A sport is one such thing which possesses the power to unite people and nations and can connect children and adults throughout the world. It is seen that opportunities to play in safe environment and to take part in sport are available only to a few, and in order to improve it, Magic Bus, a non-profit organization for children and youth in India, hosted a conference titled Maidan Summit 2010, which was Asia's first sport and development conference. The conference aimed for the development of sports in India, followed by a workshop. Moreover, it also had a series of interactive sessions that focused on community building, importance of increasing participation in sport in rural India, partnerships between sports organizations, education providers, local authorities and other agencies to maximize impact and secure additional resources, creation of safe spaces, urban regeneration and legacy planning.
मैदान समिट जो ये पहला ऐसा मीट है जो स्पोर्ट के माध्यम से विकास के लिए एक आवाज़ खड़ी कर रहा है। बहुत से ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जो जगह जगह हमारे पूरे हिंदुस्तान में काम कर रहे हैं, जहां पर एक स्पोर्ट को एक सही तरीके से मैदान में खेला जाए और उसकी तरीके से वो ऊपर उठे। इसमें बहुत सा हर एक इंसान का, हर एक बच्चे का, हर एक युवक का विकास है, जो पर्सनल विकास है उसका और उसका सामाजिक विकास भी है।
Well, the conference included more than 100 speakers from organizations such as Core Foundation, Special Olympics, DASRA, National Institute of Sport and Right to Play. The conference was followed by a two-day workshop at the Magic Bus Center in Karjat, where around 40 NGOs shared their best practices. All in all, with NGOs organizing such programs is one of the best ways to help a child grow confident, responsible and empowered. Bureau Report, DD News, Mumbai.
Alright Priyanka, with all those interesting stories, it's a wrap from Mumbai, but we'll be back tomorrow evening with more updates from the commercial capital. Thanks for watching and have a nice evening. Good night.
Thanks Shri for getting us all that, and with that we'll take your leave today. Thanks for joining us on Metro Scan. Namaskar. Time for a quick break here. Stay with us. We'll be back with more on the other side.